the channel. Happy to have you guys here. I'm just gonna get straight into it. Today I'll be doing an review of the silicone case for my Sony A74. I bought two, already put it in one of the cameras, as you can see. This is an updated video to my previous one that I did some months ago. And I definitely wanted to show you guys what it looks like. All right, and here we are. I'm just gonna put the camera to the side right over here. And then this is the case. All right, so I'm gonna open it up. I'm just gonna get straight into it. All right, so this is the silicone case, and they also give you a screen protector glass for the back of the screen. And I guess this is a microfiber cloth, and this is the name of the company. Hopefully you guys can see right there. Right there, that's the name of the company. I don't want to butcher the name because I can't really pronounce it. It was made in China. Okay, so on our previous camera, this is the previous silicone case that I have. All right, I made sure not to take it up because I want to show you guys the process, how to take it off. So I'm just going to get straight into it. So first I'm going to remove any attachments that might be there. If there was a lens, I would have taken the lens off. There's my eye cup. I'm going to take it off like so. All right, and let's see if there's anything else. No. And all I do now is just peel it off right there. Just gonna take it off. And guys, you don't have to be gentle. This thing is pretty rugged, and I've used this for a couple months now, having the new camera. And as you can see, the body is in really good condition, so it definitely protected my camera, which I'm very happy for. All right, so let me put this to the side. Let's put this to the side, and then we're gonna now put on the new case. All right, so firstly, you always try to put in the larger part first. All right, you slide it in right there. Just take your time. You don't have to rush, but you don't also have to worry whether or not you're gonna break the rubber, the silicone. All right, so I'm putting it on nice and slow like. I'm gonna put the strap through. Good. Now for me to put it over, slide this through over here, put that through. We're pretty much there. I'm just going to slide this over, just like so. And look at that, guys. It is on there. And one of the things I love is this thing here, so you can literally put it inside a hot shoe, and it protects the hot shoe. So just in case you should be in the rain, if it falls down, it shouldn't damage anything, and that's pretty good. And as you can see here, guys, it is pretty much, it fits like a glove. Just like that. All right, let me put on back my cup right here. Good. And look at that, it's really beautiful, guys. So like I said, I used the one that I used before, that I had on before. I had no issues with it other than it not fitting perfectly on there. But as you can see, this one fits perfectly, because this one is definitely made for this camera. All right, and as you can see right here above, you have the cutout right here. So you have a smooth, you can just change, make whatever changes that you want. You can go left and right, which is pretty good. The dials right here is nice and centered, as well as here too, right, as you can see. So this looks pretty good, guys, and I'm very happy I'm very happy with how it turned out. And like I told you guys, I shoot with 2 cameras, and these are they. These are my babies right here for I shoot weddings. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, and not really unboxing, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. And also applying the silicone case onto my A7 IV, the Sony A74. Smash that like button, guys, if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more, and you guys take care. Peace.